What's up, everybody? Today we're going to finally try and get this camber issue fixed on the lifted all-wheel drive Civic. Ben has a friend that's going to weld the S1 trailing arm to the HRG control arm bracket. So I'm just going to time-lapse pulling all this off real quick. Alright, trucker got these things welded up for us. Everything looks awesome. Now there's no way for this to move. So now we'll just throw these in there and just like that, we're all back together. HRG and S1 Built all together. I got the hub as straight as I could. Got all those wheel spacers off there because shouldn't need them now. We'll drop this thing down on the ground, get the wheels on, and make sure that our problem's actually fixed this time. Finally, it has worked. No more camber. Of course, I ain't no alignment shop, so the toe and stuff is still a bit off. Well, sorry this ended up being a pretty short video, and we were finally able to make some proper progress on this car. I know it's been a few months. We're going to get back on it. Really need to get this car done and out of here. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next week for another one. Y'all have a good one.